Njengamanje ngicela ukuthi ukhohlwe ukuchwebezela kwey'qhomo zami ngoba I've just did my night routine, I'm about to sleep, kodwa ngithenge ngize ngilalele indaba engingayidlulisanga ngoba iyangishisa, iy'ndaba zenu ziyangishisa, iy'ndaba zokuphila nje in general-ke ziyangishisa, and especially uma kuwukuthi you are somebody that is job hunting. Sondela nganeno ngoba sizoyikhuluma lento kuze koma amathe, ngeke sekuyikhuluma ukuthi when you are job hunting, be careful of ama-scammers out there and be careful of ubungozi ongase uzithole uhlangabezana nabo in the midst of job hunting.
Hello, sanibona nidumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zona isihambela likude phezulu. Do join.
Ngihlaze ngikutshela ukuthi uma ukuthi awungazi uvele asazane ngendlela sibe kanje sibe zichomi, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi ukuze sazane kangcono mina nawe sibe nje sihlangane sibe imbumba sibe umndeni omuhle okhulisanayo, oqoqoshanayo, obonisanayo, oqwashisanayo. Uvele usubscribe uma ukuthi umusha, ulike, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ungakhohlwa ukubuza uma ukuthi i-story it's educational and you've got questions about into ebesikhuluma ngayo. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi izitori zala ekhaya ziyakha, ziyakhulisa, ziyaqwashisa. Nawe uma unesakho i-story ungakhohlwa ukungidm, ngikhona lapha ku-Facebook. Ngicela ukuthi uyongidm ku-Facebook. Uma ungakwazi ukungidm ku-Facebook, ngikhona na ku-TikTok. Uma uhluleka ukwenze njalo, ngikhona ku-WhatsApp. Uvele usi-voice note nje isitori sakho 071 941 9417 071 941 9417. Kwaze wabona ezweni sakhile, izingane ziqeda o-matric ziyazama, ziyaphanta, ezinye siyazigraduate-isa every year. Yabona nje twice a year mangabe uyo-attenda this graduation as umsebenzi wesikhungo semfundo ephakeme, ubone abazali bejabula, ubone izingane zijabula, ubone ukuthi umuntu nje uthi I've made it. But to think ukuthi of what awaits them out there. Yo, yazi kuvele kunyanta igazi because uvithane ungazi. Le ndaba guys ngiyilanda hot and serving you on a golden platter from TikTok. Ngiyangena-ke ku-TikTok, ngiyascrolla, ngiya-check ama-DMs, ngiya-check ubani ongisendela i-story, ubani othini, kwenzakalani, ngi-check ama-lives. Mangithi gaga, ngihlangana no-live. Mangihlangana no-live, umuntu o-live it's somebody engimaziyo. Ngesikhathi ngisajwayela ukuba live kakhulu ku-TikTok. Last year I used to be very live on TikTok ngoba bengenza a lot of educational events. So bengiphoqa ukuthi ngibe ku-live so that I can actually make people aware ukuthi this is what is happening. Mangithi gaga, how usibani uku-live, and I know this lady bejwayele ukungena kuma-lives wami sixoxe, futhi bengahlali isikhathi eside, bengena nje athi hayi Malwandle unjani, kwathini, i-podcast imnandi, kwathini, we are really enjoying it. I-encourage bese yaphuma. Okay right, uma ngingena u-sisters u-live, but uma eku-live already kwi-panel kugcwele, ngisakwazi uku-request ukuthi ngingene kwi-panel yakhe. And uma kugcwele kwi-panel, ngiyasizwa i-story guys ukuthi sishubile and siyathusa, abantu bathukile, abantu uyabona ngama-emoji abawaphosta abantu nama-comments ukuthi yo, le ndaba le ishubile, people are really concerned. Ayi ngivele ngithi ngoba sesiphakathi kanje vele ngeke ngisasizwa, kodwa angihlale ngilalele, ngizozwa ngizosibamba emoyeni ukuthi kahle bekade wenzakaleni. Ngoba la uma ngiyibamba kukhulunywa ngomntwana intombazane in her early 20s odukele endaweni thizeni ko-Eden Vale eGoli, ebeyofuna umsebenzi, kahle uthole umsebenzi. Ngase ngithi okay, into engizoyenza ngoba usisters vele umuntu engimjwayele, ngizomlanda kwi-DM uzongichazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ayina ngempela ngimlande kwi-DM usisters. This thing happened I think about a day or two ago. Ngimlande kwi-DM, hawu ngiyabona u-live kanje, awungixoxele kwenzakalani. Asihambeni phela soqwashisana ngale kamakhelwane. Hayi ayiqala indaba usisa asho ukuthi lalela. Into eyenzakalile la, into esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi usisi wami ongilamayo Uber, so wenza lento yo-Uber for women. So njengoba enza lento yo-Uber for women, uLukhunjile uye wacelwa umntwana owumakhelwane wakhe, ngoba uyamazi ukuthi uya-job hunter, kusho ukuthi nje ama-families omakhelwane nabantu aba-close abadonselanayo ngemoya. Wamcela ukuthi, sisters, anginamali, ngi-broke, kodwa ngihambise i-CV endaweni, or ngisi-email i-CV endaweni yokuthi ngibiziwe kwathiwa ngize kwi-interview today, but anginamali. Ngicela ukuthi ungihambise kwi-interview, ngizobe sengithi mengabe kwenzeka nguwuthola lo msebenzi. Apparently it's these jobs ezihambisana nezinto zokudayisa kanje kanje, yabona lezi zinto lezi okwenziwa imali esheshayo. Into efanayo nale ngizokutshela ngawo njengamanje, ningafuni ukuyijoyina nini eningasebenzi, enginganazi ukuthi nilindeni. Nilindeni ngempela ningawujoyini u-Avbob Dream Team, because lapha abantu badla imali. Ngikhuluma nje this year kune-crew eya kwi-MS Cruise because they have worked so beautifully well. Kudayisa u-Cell C laphayana, uyakwazi ukujoyina, baku-train ukwazi ukurikha ama-sim cards. Mawuqeda ukurikha ama-sim cards, unikeze abantu bakho ama-sim cards, you can give them for free, you can sell it to them, and each and every time loyo muntu loyo wakho omnika loyo sim card ayirikhelwe wena, uyakwazi ukuthi le airtime ayithengayo nale datha alithengayo laka-Cell C, wena uthola u-20%, imali nje uzihlalele ekhaya, passive income. Mawuso ujoyina u-Dream Team, uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ojoyine ngaphansi kwakho athathe ipholisi. Once ipholisi yakhe yaqala yakhokha, uyathola imali nawe. Ngisho ungangayithathi wena ipholisi, as long as abantu ozobajoyinisa wena ngaphansi kwakho benamapholisi akhokhayo, you will end up earning at the end of the day. It is stupid though not to take the policy, because at the end of the day lowo policy igcina izikhokhela yona itself. Asikho-ke lapho, ngizoyifaka ilink yaka-Dream Team la ngaphansi, kwenzele ukuthi wena who is job hunting njengamanje, ukwazi ukuthi ube nemali ye-CV, yo-update i-CV, yo-printer, ukwazi ube nemali yamadatha, ukwazi ukuba nemali yokuzirequestela, yabona kanjalo. While ulinde something ngapha, kube khona into oyenzayo ngapha. So uthi lo sisi-ke aceleke lo mntwana kamakhelwane ukuthi ucela ukuthi aphelezelwe, akanamali yokukhokhela i-transport, nje just want an opportunity nje ukuthi aye kule interview. Uzobona mefika kule interview ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mzukwane wahola-ke, ngoba apparently engazi ukuthi yizo izinto ezihambisana nokudayisa kanje zokumaketha, angazi ukuthi bekuyini, angisitholanga kahle isitori, ngoba naye bese sikha esesihwaphu esengibhalela sona ku-DM nje esesheshisa. Kodwa umntana, the short version is, umntana ucele ukuthi ahanjiswe ngoba vele umakhelwane lo uyamazi, uzomkolota lo mali amkolota yona, into enjalo nje. Uthi usisabe sesike nangempela umntana abamnikeze ku-lift-ke, amnike ku-lift. Interview yomntana is-somewhere koGoli, ko-Edenvale, nabo bahlala eGoli. I-interview yomntana ingo-10 ekuseni. Uthi-ke ngoba vele-ke uhlezi esemgwaqweni lo odrayivayo, usisi wakhe lo mlama odrayiva u-Uber, wenza i-Uber for women, uhlezi esemgwaqweni, athi uzovuka ekuseni yena ahambe aqala asebenze. Mangabe seku-closer to isikhathi sokuthi amlanda, uzobe azomlanda ngabo-8 kanje, ahambe naye-ke, bese yafike yamdropha ukuthi hayi nangempela bahambe bafike la kule ndawo abayona. Uthi yeyi, into ayichazayo kuthiwa le ndawo abebeke kuyona indawo e-secluded ngale ndlela. Angiyazi-ke i-Edenvale, I've stayed in Joburg but angiyazi i-Edenvale ukuthi indawo kanjani. Kodwa uthi kuyindawo iseGoli, kodwa ile ndawo ezi-secluded, ezisemafarminyana nje, ezi-way out of the CBD and ezi-way out of iy'ndawo eziphithizelayo. Uthi hayi sihambe nayo i-direction, bahambe bafike kule ndawo, bafike kulo muzi omkhulu wesithabathaba. Lo muzi mkhulu isithabathaba, we-double story, it looks like indlu yomuntu onemali impela nje. And mabafika egeyidini lakhona kuthiwa kubhalwe ukuthi hoot for attention. Uthi nangempela-ke bafike bahuthe for i-attention-ke leyo, nangempela mabehutha kuphume isalukazi somlungu. Uthi makuphuma isalukazi somlungu, siphuma isalukazi somlungu size kubona egeyidini, sifike sibuze ukuthi on is for i-interview, uthi bavume, who's coming for an interview. Uthi asho kusisi ukuthi hayi umuntu oze for i-interview nangu, bese yasho ukuthi hayi okay sharp. Uthi ngokubona ukuthi, uthi udadewabo ngokubona ukuthi le ndawo i-secluded kanjani, adecide ukuthi kulungile wena ngoba uze kwi-interview, ngeke, probably you won't stay long, ngeke kuze kuthathe more than an hour or 2 uhleli la ngaphakathi. Angikwazi ukuhamba ngikushiye la ngithi ngizobuye ngiphinde ngibuye ngoba kukude la, ku-secluded from anything else. nami I probably won't get any request ngikule ndawo ekude kangaka ngoba i-secluded le ndawo. Into engizoyenza, wena dilika uhambe ungene ngaphakathi wenze i-interview yakho leyo, uqeda ukwenza i-interview yakho leyo mawuqeda lapho, and then sizobe sizwa ama-results mawukuthi uyawathola manje or mawukuthi awuwatholi manje uwathola ngesinye isikhathi, it's fine. Kodwa ngicela ukukulinda ngizwe ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngingakushila. Uthi nangempela ukuthi hhayi angene umntwana ngaphakathi, uthi hhayi-ke mahlayeni nya. Uthi futhi kungapheli nesikhathi esithi, uthi kungakopheli ngisho i-30 minutes abuye. Uthi-ke usisi uthi what I've noticed was that ngoba immediately lo mntana ehla engena ngaphakathi eya kwi-interview, it's normal mos ama-phones sisebenza ngawo siyawathanda sihleze sicofa, ngoba vele ngihleli ngilindile ngidonsa ifone. Uthi what I've noticed ukuthi ngithe uma ngidonsa ifone ngithi ngiyayicofa uma ngithi hayi bo akuna-network. Hawu, le ndawo ayina-network, okay fine. Uthi hayi it's fine. Uthi ngingeniswe ngaphakathi-ke mina njengomuntu olinda umuntu oze kwi-interview-ke, kwathiwa ngipake vele ngaphakathi. So ngipakile la ngaphakathi, I'm noticing ukuthi ifoni yami ayina-network, ngingena ku-WhatsApp ngifunda ama-message akhona-ke fine, kodwa kusho ukuthi I can't communicate with the rest of the world now while I'm waiting because now akuna-network la. Uthi okay fine. Ngidilike emotweni ngirawunde ngizama ukurawunda, ngiyabuka ngifuna i-network. Uthi hhayi i-network ayikho nje la kule ndawo engime kuyona. Okay fine. Uthi hhayi-ke ngivele ngigive up ngingene ngaphakathi emotweni ngilinde. Uthi hhayi kungathathi isikhathi eside mahlayeni aphume. Uthi aphume lo mntwana, uphume uyagijima and u-excited uzosho ukuthi uwutholile umsebenzi. Hawu, kwaze kwashesha bo, masinye utholile umsebenzi. And uma ngabe ethi utholile umsebenzi, kuthiwa akaqale khona manje, une-task khona manje. Angazi ukuthi bekumsebenzi muni-ke lo guys, kuthi une-task khona manje, and uthi vele makachaza ukuthi vele kwamsebenzi wakhona loyo, it's those types of jobs whereby you actually need to have your own transport to be able to move around. Kodwa uthi kubathe kuyena kulungile angaqala noma engenayo ilokhu njani i-transport for now, bazomnikeza i-advance. Yezwa yini? I-advance-ke, to those who don't know what an advance is, abantu abasebenza nge-commission isikhathi esiningi, abantu baka-sales, abantu abadayisa ama-insurances, they will usually be given an advance so that you are able, ukusho ukuthi i-advance imali oyinikwa idonswa, imali ethathwa emholweni wakho wena before uhole. Okusho ukuthi bayakuhlephulela, bayakulona, sikhuluma ilanguage ejwayelekile ukuthi bayakulona a certain portion of money from imali obokade uzoyihola wena before uhole. Ngoba benzelani? Benzela ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuthi usebenze. Uthi bambuzile ukuthi mangabe sikunikeza i-advance, are you going to be able to finish the first 3 tasks esizokunikeza wona yini? Uthiwa wavuma kwathi umntwana seka-excited ukuthola umsebenzi nya. Uthi aphume egijima-ke eseza kulo osemotweni esezochaza ukuthi utholile umsebenzi. Hhayi ngicela ungishiye ngoba ngiwutholile umsebenzi, ngizo-requesta. Uthi ngithi uthi nje kube khona into evele ithi kumina ithi angikushiyi ngihamba nawe. Le task yakho ngicela ukukuhambisa mina ngikuse kuyona, angithi wena awunamali futhi nje wabekuthembisa bazokunika i-advance. Lo advance ayikho on your account, so that means kusho ukuthi uma ngikushiya la uzoba stranded and akuna-network la, njengoba kade ngihlela ngilinde wena ulapha ngaphakathi akuna-network. Uthi hhayi nangempela-ke fine. Ukuthi hhayi nangempela that first day amthathe amhambise kulo task, bayenze i-task aqede bahambe babuyele back, ayomdropha yena aqhubeke nokusebenza fine. Nangakusasa-ke ekuseni obviously-ke ngoba kusho ukuthi eserely kumakhelwane lo for i-transport up until kuze kukhokhe leya mali ye-advance ukuze akwazi ukuthi anikeze umakhelwane le mali amkolodayo nayo e-transport-ke. Shuthi sekuyiloyo into ukuthi umakhelwane has got the responsibility ukuthi amhlise emenyusa-ke up until azabe right uzomkhokhela imali yakhe ngoba vele bayazana. Okay fine. Uthi second day baphinde futhi bahambe baya laphaya. Uthi kufanele aqale ofisini-ke ayoreport ukuthi i-task yangayizolihambe kanjani. Ahambe uthi afike ofisini-ke khona lapho nangempela-ke kuyahuthwa-ke ahuthe avule, siphinde sivule futhi isalukazi somlungu sibavulele boyi-2. Uthi what I've noticed ukuthi today lesi salukazi somlungu is irritated ukuthi again sibona mina ukuthi ngilethe lo mntana kamakhelwane. Uthi sibuze nje very roughly ukuthi what are you doing here, or uthi sibuze roughly ukuthi what are you doing here, you are going to drop her and leave. Uthi again usisi wakho kuvela ukuthi avela athi nje hayi ngizomlinda nanamhlanje. Uthi but this person uyasebenza and wena uzoloku uhleli la umlindile kwathini. Uthi I know ngizomlinda. Uthi udadewabo don't even know ukuthi yini ebeyimenza ukuthi aloke insist ukuthenda umntana uyamlinda all the time bekayosebenza lapha. Uthi what if it takes the whole day? Are you going to stay here the whole day? Uthi njalo udadewabo, yes, if it takes the whole day ukuthi ngimlinde, it's fine, I'm gonna wait for her. Uthi again namhlanje ngibhizi ngicingana network dololo. Uthi hayi-ke kulungile ahlala aqhubeke kamlindeke. Uyasebenza-ke today, right? Uyolanda i-task for the day. So njengoba eyolanda ama-task for the day, okusho ukuthi is expecting her ukuthi asheshe aphume this time around because kufanele athole lo instruction whatever, angazi ukuthi unikwani, athole whatever fanele ayithole, aphume angene emotweni bahambe bayohlala phezu kwe-task, amhambise la amhambisa khona, abese yena amqhubeka nomsebenzi or whatever that happens. Okay, fine. Uthi u-expecte lokho ukuthi uzongena ngaphakathi-ke namhlanje asheshe aphume ngoba vele uyolanda i-task kuphela bese yaphuma bese yahamba. Okay. Uthi ayangene-ke ngaphakathi umntana. Uthi hayibo, nyanya uphela u-30 minutes umuntu akaphumi, nyanya liphela i-hour umuntu akaphumi, nyanya ngi-frustrated akuna-network kule ndawo, nyanya kuyohlangana i-hour lesibili umuntu akaphumi, nyanya uthi hayi, uthi kutheme ngabe seziyela e-hourni lesithathu ngathi hayi man, awuthi-ke ngingene, uthi kube khona into ethi awuthi-ke ngingene la ngaphakathi, uthi ahamba afika anokhe emnyango gogo. Uthi hayi athi esanokha kanjalo abone ukuthi khona okukhwishizayo ngaphakathi. Le ndawo le ayibukeke ngazi ukuthi indawo ehlala abantu, kungazi ukuthi indawo nje esama-office and nento engazi ukuthi i-lab of some sort. Uthi ukushiso ukuthi abantu aloke babona oqala umuntu ambona ethi pheshe edlula makanokha was wearing a white coat, yabo i-white coat yase-lab. Nomunye futhi owesibili ambona edlula ethi pheshe naye was wearing i-coat yase-lab. But bingekho white that one, I don't know what the color it was. Uthi bathi pheshe bangamnaki uyanokha. Uthi up until laba baloke bepheshezela ngaphakathi bangamvuleli, up until kuze kube kuphinde kuqhamuke lesiya salukazi esasikade siqhamukile wayesekuqaleni, esiphinde sabavulela futhi ekuseni, siphinde sibuze ukuthi uthi siyaqhamuka lesi salukazi sesifake iphinifa. Uyalibona iphinifa leli lasebusha, amaphinifa la afaka abantu basebusha namadadla amadadla blue. Uthi nje ugqoke ngazi ukuthi umuntu osebusha and uyabona nangendlela agqoke ngakhona, uyabona ukuthi i-top yakhe engazi ukuthi inanama stains egazi. Uthi lesalukazi masiza sisondela ngaphela kusho ukuthi siza ngoba kusho ukuthi isona kuphela sine right yokuvula umnyango la. Uthi size sisondela and then phesha uthi mangabe sizosondela eduze komnyango, uthi kunewindow manje ebuka kulona into eyenzakalayo, kune curtain but ile curtain ithe ukuthi kancane, so uyabona emfatweni kancane konke yabo into eyenzeka ngaphakathi. That's how he managed ukubona laba abagqoka ama-coat abaloke behla benyuka beziba bengamvuleli. Uthi size lesalukazi sishesha sisema sifika ngaseduze kwe-curtain, sabona ukuthi kunale ndawo alunguze kuyona, savele salivala i-curtain fast, maqede sakhumula lelo khunjana lephinifa esigqokile sanitshingela le samvulela. Siyabuza ukuthi ufunani la. Uthatha omunye umuntu engifike naye la bekade ezothatha isithathu bese yahamba and ngilinde yena ngaphandle. Uthi ngikutshelile ngathi ungahlali ungamlindi, umlindeleni ngoba uyasebenza. Uthi cha ufike nami phela njengoba ezothatha ama-task nje mina ngilinde ukuthi ngimthathe ngimhambise ama-task. Uthi avela ashintsha istory athi umntana wakithi, uthi this is my sister, so njengoba ngilinde ukuthi athathe ama-task angeke ngimshiye la because le ndawo le ayina transport ikude seceleni, mangimshiya la uzofika kanjani, uzofinyelela kanjani la kufanele enze khona ama-task akhe. Uthi yeyi sathopha isalukazi somlungu sabomvu tepu, asifuni ukumngenisa. Uthi ngifuna ukungena, uthi asifuni ukumngenisa sipelitile emnyango. Uthi ngifuna ukungena, uphi nimshonitsephi? Uthi hayi angeke ungene lana, abantu abangena la abantu abasebenza la kuphela, you have no right ukuthi ungene la, mangabe ufuna ukungena la ngenkani kusho ukuthi that is trespassing, ngizobiza amaphoyisa. Uthi awu ngizibuza ukuthi why lesalukazi si so defensive sifuna nokubiza amaphoyisa. Who talked about police and why is even mentioning indaba ukuthi ubiza amaphoyisa? Uthi ngivele okay fine ngoba ufuna ngingene ngilanda usisi wami ngaphakathi ngibona ukuthi kanti nimvaleleleni ngoba kumele ngabe kade nemkhiphile ebezothatha i-task, mina ngifuna ukumhambisa kwi-task. Kusho ukuthi wabizeka amaphoyisa, sengifunda lokho ke. Hayi uthi balwe nesalukazi somlungu. Uthi bathe bese babanga inkulumo kanjalo isalukazi somlungu singafuni ukumngenisa. Uthi uqhamuke izinqomondo eziwu2 zama-Nigerian. Uthi tall guys, scary guys. Uthi uyawazi ukuthi kanjani ngokuba buff nokuba made. Uthi qho izinto ezinde zifike zime la eduze kwakhe zimphahle. What's going on here? Uthi sisho lesalukazi ukuthi lo ufuna ukungena ngenkani, ufuna ukuthatha lo uzibanibani lo kade efikile la ekseni kanjani. Uthi bese ngiyababuza laba ngithi usisi wami ongene la ekseni ngesikhathi sokuthi ebezothatha ama-task la, ngilinde ukuthi makaqeda ukuthatha i-task mina ngimhambise kwi-task bese ke ngiba sure ukuthi usafe because le ndawo ise-secluded ngiyayibona ukuthi ayina transport. If ngimshaya la uzoba stranded. Uthi lama Nigerians uthi at my sister, you have no right to be here. You cannot enter these premises. Only people who work here. Uthi ngivele ngibe nomsindo ngithi uyabona ke la kusho ukuthi khona into eyenzakalayo ngempela ngoba why okokuqala why bengafuni ukumbiza ngimbona ngoba I just wanna see if she's okay. Okwesibili manje sengilandela ama bodyguards wala lesalukazi asifuni ukungenisa ngibona ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani. Uthi hayi leli Nigerian leli linye livele lingibambe roughly ngidudulele eminyango. Uthi mali ngibamba roughly ngidudulele eminyango uthi le ndawo le njengoba ngila mina kwi main door ngaphakathi kunomunye umnyango uyabona ukuthi kunomunye umnyango and uyabona ukuthi le ndawo ngazi amakamera kodwa indawo eziphumela ama passenger aphumela endaweni ezahlukahlukene. Uthi ngivele ngithi qala uthi njengoba engibambe ngidudule ngikhiphela eminyango ngiyabona ukuthi the next thing angeke ngisakwazi at all ukulokhu nje uku-access. Uthi ngivele ngithi qala mangithi ngiyabona esicabheni lesi engikuso la ngoba ngime nje right engeneni komnyango ngiyabona kunokhiye uthi ngivele ngudonse lokhiye nguthathe lokhiye ube ngakumina ngenze sure ukuthi lokhiye ungakumina siyalwa nalama Nigerians manje sibanga inkulumo ukuthi ngifuna ukungena uthi angihambi la ngingaphumanga nozibani ngingahambanga nomuntu engifike naye. Uthi lama Nigerians ke manje uyabona ukuthi kahle sekushoda kangaka ukuthi nje avela ngibamba nginqamule angibulale straight because abafuni nje ukuthi ngingene ngithi imlandeni ngimbone ukuthi uright abafuni. Uthi usisi wakhe akazi nanokuthi yini ebekade eyamenza wasola noma abe nenkani engaka. Uthi hayi ke kube yilonto kuze kucaca ukuthi bayam overpower and mabam overpower yena sephethe lesi sikhiye saba ngithi excuse and ababonanga ukuthi uthatha isikhiye sabo. Uthi hayi ke bam overpower kanjalo bambambe bamlahlela eminyango uthi aphinde ahambe ohlala emotweni. Uthi ngizibuze mangisemotweni kwenzakalani la inkulu into enzakala la ngaphakathi. How come bengasafuni ngimbone because ungene eyothatha itask ungene umuntu ozongena 5-10 minutes athatha itask aphuma ahambe ngiyomdropha la izokwenza khona itask and then ngiqhubeke nezindlela zami zosuku. Uthi ngiphindele emuva ngithi ngiphethe isikhiye lesi ngisithatha kubona ngifike lapha esikhiyeni ngiqala ngithi qala ngibone ukuthi akuqhamuki yini umuntu yini opheshezela odlulayo. Uthi ngisifake isikhiye kancane nginyenge ngivule kancane nginyenge ngivule kancane nginyenge ngivule kancane uvuleke umnyango. Uthi ngingene ngaphakathi uthi ngithi thwaba. Uthi ngingene ngiphumele ekamereni lokuqala uthi hey guys the shock of my life kulela kamera there are people abafile la kuhlinzwa abantu ama body parts. Uthi kunabantu abafile kunama tray. Uthi we guys ngithuke ngoma uthi uthuye woma waqhasha baleka waphinde emuva. Uthi ngenhlanhla uthi emakabaleka ephinde emuva kwayimali liqhamuka leli bodyguard laleli Nigeria lokuqala alibonanga ukuthi uhambe waphumela kulomnyango omunye oqala onama tray onemizimba yabantu. Uthi hey fike lilwe le Nigeria my sister we told you have no right to enter here. If you want to see lo muntu oze kuyena then you better come. Ngizongenisa la eye khona. Uthi hayi ke manje ngoba sengiyibonile ngithi cha ngeke ningingenise ngifuna yena mkhipheni ophinde nimshonisephi. Uthi sengiyalwa manje nginomsindo mkhipheni nimshonisephi. Uthi ngilwe ngize ngibe bovu tephu. Uthi bathi sobiza amaphoyisa. Uthi hawu ngithi manje nithi nizobiza amaphoyisa nasekuqaleni benisho kanje. Uthi wabizeni. Uthi nangempela bawabiza amaphoyisa. Uthi nangempela bebebiza amaphoyisa vele afika amaphoyisa afika amaphoyisa abizwe yibona ngokuthi khona umuntu otrespasayo. Uthi mafika amaphoyisa ngivele ngiwachazele ngiwatshele ukuthi kwenzeka kanje. Uthi silanga phandle manje namaphoyisa. Khumbula ukuthi bekakhipha isikhiye eminyangweni angithi kusho ukuthi babonile ukuthi ngalesikhathi kade saphumile babonile ukuthi lo akhiye eminyangweni akade untshontshile lo babonile ukuthi untshontshe ukhiye. Angazi ukuthi benze nini kanjani fast kanjani in the less than a couple of hours. Uthi mase kubuya amaphoyisa ke manje amaphoyisa ngiyawachazela ukuthi kwenze ku1 no2 no3 and ngifuna umuntu engifike nayo la ngiyasola ukuthi le ndawo le ayikho safe and ngibone ngawami ngo-C la engiphumele khona ikamera lokuqala kunezidumbu zabantu and abanye bahlinziwe bakhamisile kunezicucu somewhere. Guys into engishaqeke yona ngithuke koma yazi ngivele ngathuka uma ngqengqezela ubhontshisi ngoma kwabanda amathanga kwashwaqinela ngathi Jesus Jehovah Jireh usishiyelani nama ngabe kunje. uthi-ke manje bamile namaphoyisa ngaphandle bayahutha akusaphumi muntu at all-ke manje uthi mase kukhona amaphoyisa abasaphumi muntu at all ngoba sebeya-realise-a ukuthi nje as much as kuyibona ababiza amaphoyisa kodwa amaphoyisa njengoba esenami kusho ukuthi sebeyabona ukuthi amaphoyisa asechazeliwe. Mhlawumpe uthi uyasola ukuthi amaphoyisa akwi-playlist yabo kodwa ngebhadi kwenzekile ukuthi mhlambe kwafika laba abangawajwayele ngoba lawaya akade efikile abekelwa efuna ukungena nawo. Uthi bayagogoda-ke manje bayagogoda bayanokha bayahutha akusaphumi muntu uthi angisaboni ngisho nento eyi-one ethi pheshe wayesewindini akusadluli kwa-next abasavuli ngisho emnyango. Ngithi mina emaphoyiseni nawu-Khiye ngiwukhiphile ngalesa sikhathi ngimfuna la izolo. Asikisi ngesikhathi ngimfune ekuseni uthi nawu-Khiye uthi amaphoyisa awufake uKhiye uvule nangempela. Uthi mawuvula uKhiye baphinde ziqhamuke lezi zinqomondo uthi basho ukuthi lezi zinqomondo zithi hhayi ithina sibiza amaphoyisa. Uthi hhayi bayawancenga amaphoyisa hhayi niya-trespass-a kwathini. Uthi athi amaphoyisa lo esihamba naye uthi ufuna usisi wakhe lo ophelele la ekuseni and uthi manje izikhathi sekuyoshaya o-1 kwenzeka lento emini. Bafike ekuseni lapha ngabo-9 sekuyoshaya o-1 uthi up until amaphoyisa aze athi kuyena asihambe. Into esizoyenza ukuthi sizothatha ama-details akho. Mase siqeda ukuthatha ama-details akho because njengamanje these guys ba-right vele we are trespassing. Okokuqala asina search warrant, okwesi-2 asina proof yokuthi ngempela kukhona into e-wrong abayenzayo or abayenzile or abazoyenza kulo muntu omfunayo othi ufike nayo. Sicela ukuthi uhlise umoya ugoduke mhlawumpe uzobuya ntambama. Okay fine. Uthi nangempela-ke ngihlisa umoya ngihambe. Uthi ngiyahamba inhliziyo yami iyabalisa ingemuva and I don't even know ukuthi why igazi lingishiya kangaka. And apart from ukuthi igazi liyangishiya vele sengibonile into engiyibonile laphaya. Uthi hhayi ngihambe ngigoduke. Uthi hhayi kushaya u-9 ebusuku nya 10 ebusuku nya 11 ebusuku nya. Uthi ngihambe ngiyokokoda kamakhelwane ngiyo-check-a ukuthi ubuyile yini uzibanibani izolo. Uthi kuthiwa hhayi akabuyanga. Uke wafona yini? Hhayi akafoni. Nike namfonela yini? Hhayi ifoni yakhe ayingeni. Uthi hey ungishawa unembeza angifuni ukuxoxa ukuthi ngiboneni ifoni nawo because ngisenethemba lokuthi amaphoyisa atheni angibuye ngakusasa. Uthi la ngempela ekuseni uthi nje ekuseni ngivele ngivukele khona ngabo-5 yimi loya sengiyaphuma endlini sengenzela ukuthi ngifike nje ngithi nje ngicela sihambeni sibuyele khona umntana kamakhelane bengize na akazange abuye ekhaya izolo ebusuku and I'm really worried something is off ngale ndawo le. Uthi nangempela kube ukuthi mekafika lapha e-police station amaphoyisa a-check-e la erekhoda khona izinto zawo athi hhayi nangempela ikhona into ekanjalo ehandoviwe izolo kwi-shift ebekade ingene emini. Ikhona into ehandoviwe enjalo ngoba uthi ikhona into abambhalise one-statement esincane esichazayo kwenzela ukuthi mesebuya abe ne-follow up but akuvulwanga a-formal case because phela angisho there isn't much. So and akakobe futhi naye missing person ngoba u-24 hours awukupheli. So uthi asho-ke la uthi ikhona into ehandoviwe statement into esicela ukuthi usiyenze imoto yakho ishiye la so hamba sonke ngevan kwenzela ukuthi whatever happens wena ube safe. Okay. Uthi nangempela-ke ngiyishiya imoto e-police station singene sonke elokhunjeni evenini yamaphoyisa sibheka kule ndawo. Uthi sihambe sifike la kule. Uthi mind ungisenaso lesa sikhiye salaphaya. Uthi sifike kule ndawo. Uthi hhayi-ke manje siyahutha-ke manje. Uthi hhayi-ke today kuthule nya to a point ukuthi engazi ukuthi kuthuthiwe engazi ukuthi umuzi ekwathuthwa kuwona kudala akusekho ngisho amakhethini. Uthi niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini akusekho ngisho ikhethenisi akho muntu kumnyama kuthule cwe. Uthi ngithi nasi isikhiye ngisasenasi isikhiye from yesterday sebengisintshontshile. Uthi athi asivuleni ngaso uthi hawu sithi gexe lutho akuvuleki. Uthi guys till this day uthi lento le lo sisi la exoxayo yenzeke ngabo somewhere early March. Uthi till this day lo mntana akakaze abuye and kamakhelwane bablame mina ukuthi mina engahamba naye kodwa mina ngangimsiza ngoba wayecelile ulift engenayo imali yokuya kwi-interview le. We've filed a case of a missing person. Pictures has been all over social media. There is no traced. Girl is nowhere to be found. I-trauma nje ngibhekene nayo uthi now I had to go and write a statement ngisho yonke into engayibona nokwenzeka kodwa nje uthi inhliziyo yami uNembezo uyangilahla, angazi ukuthi ungilahla kanjani because this is not my fault, I did what I could do. And at the end of the day, engase ngikusabela nokuthi ngiloke ngiphakathi kule nto, ngoba bengiloke ngibuyela lapha emaphoyiseni e-Eden Valley ngifind out ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngiloke ngibuyela. Ngase ngiyabona ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku nami nginey'ngane, nginomndeni ekufanele ngiwusaphothe and ngine-life ekufanele ngiyiphile. Le nto uma ngiqhubeka nokuyilandelela kanje izobeka mina engcupheni ngokwempilo, ngizofa ngifele into engingayazi, ngoba at that point ebesebona ukuthi as much as amaphoyisa were helpful, kodwa kusho ukuthi akhona esiteshini ngaphakathi aziyo ukuthi lapha kuleya ndlu bekwenzeka mkhoshosho muni. And uyasola ukuthi, excuse me, yiwo lawo abathiphisa bathutha overnight bahamba, njengoba the following day bathi mese bephinda laphaya bafika seku-house to let, sekubukeka ngazuthi akaze kuhlale ngisho impukane le. Izinto abantwana abahlangabezana nazo, please guys, ngiyanicela, be careful. If you are job hunting, be careful. Number one, when it's too good to be true, be wary ukuthi kwenzakalani. Awukho umsebenzi othi uyoqala kuwona ungakobonakali nanokuthi you are capable of doing the job, ube sowuthenjiswa imali already ukuthi kuzongena imali kuwena, or ngisho bangaze bakunike same time iwucash isigaxa. Once kwa-too good to be true, number one, uthola umsebenzi, uya kwi-interview, same time kwi-interview wena sowuqashiwe. A normal job process, you send the CV. After you've been invited for the CV for the interview, you get the contract. You must have a contract eshoyo ukuthi umsebenzi ozowenza entails what, how many hours, kwenziwani, kanjani, uzohola malini. After you have read the contract and you are happy with the contract abakunike yona, uyasayina. Kweminye kwamanye ama-companies, if it's urgent, kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi vele the contract is readily available ngosuku le-interview, kodwa kuba quick, mhlawumbe uthola i-follow up, i-call back mhlawumbe the following day or later in the day after you've left the premises, bakutshela ukuthi buya ngakusasa uzosayina i-contract. Once kwangabi na-contract, wathenjiswa izizumbulu zezimali, ungakusebenzi nokusebenza, something is fishy. Know the processes, zijwayeze. Inkampani iguglishe, uyibheke ukuthi i-registered, kuyavela uGoogle vele akuvezele yonke into these days, khona ngisho u-AI ongashaya eceleni, izokuvezela ukuthi le nkampani i-registered, iyenzani, ikephi, ikuvezele ngisho ama-directors we-company. Don't be lured into job scams nama-jobs anjani a-advertiser on social media, anama-companies anamagama angaqondakali, akuthembisa into obona kuwumsebenzi wephupho lakho, kanti uyokhishwa izicucu lapho, uyokhishwa izibindi uphila, uyokhishwa izinso uphila. Ngiyanicela nabazali ababukayo le podcast bazitshele izingane, niyishare le episode, abantwana bayibuke bayibone, bazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngoba we know South Africa kubi, unemployment rate is rough, inkqenkqeza close to 40% now. Close to 40%. We know ukuthi we are desperate, but ekubeni desperate kwakho for a job, for that break, also be safe, be vigilant, and know when it's too good to be true, and know when it's legit. Know how to differentiate. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu guys, asiphinde sihlanganeni endabeni elandelayo. Neyiqhamuza meyicwezelayo.